Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something mind-blowing. You know this AI animated niche? It's blowing up right now on YouTube. So many faceless channels are uploading short AI animated videos, and guess what? They're already monetized and earning thousands of dollars every single month just by spending 1 to 2 hours making these videos. Yeah, that's it. But hold on, I've got something even crazier for you. In this video, I'll show you how to create viral AI animated videos in just minutes, not hours. Yes, minutes. I know it sounds unbelievable, but I promise you, it's real. No complicated software, no editing skills needed, no team, nothing. And here comes the best part. You can do all this 100% for free. No credits, no subscriptions, no paid tools. So grab a notebook, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive into this easy method that could change the way you create content. Let's go! Just take a screenshot. No need to enter any complicated prompt. Now come into ChatGPT and simply type, "I want to create this type of animated video. Kindly prompt me 8 prompts with the same character and same situation." That's it. No need to write any special or offensive text. Just keep it simple and clear. Hit enter and then Dazz! I mean, it's amazing, bro! ChatGPT instantly gives you 8 super cool prompts, all matching, consistent, and creative. They look awesome, and yes, they actually work. You don't need to be a pro or spend hours figuring things out. Just copy-paste, and you're ready to go. It's literally that easy. This trick is a game changer for anyone creating AI videos, so don't miss it, try it once, and you'll be blown away. Now that your prompt is ready, head over to Canva AI. Yes, you heard that right. Canva's new update comes with an amazing AI image generation feature built right in. Just enter your prompt and boom! You'll see the magic happen in seconds. You can change the style, adjust the size, customize the colors, and even tweak the visual tone to match your vibe. It's super easy, beginner-friendly, and perfect for content creators who want fast, high-quality visuals. You can also take advantage of Leonardo AI, one of the most powerful and user-friendly platforms for generating high-quality, realistic characters in stunning HD. Whether you're working on fantasy-themed scenes, animated shorts, custom thumbnails, or even storytelling visuals, Leonardo AI provides incredibly sharp and detailed images that truly stand out. You don't need to worry about low-res results or bland outputs. This platform delivers visually rich, professional-grade images that are perfect for content creators, animators, and digital artists alike. With just a few prompts, you can generate eye-catching characters, vivid backgrounds, and stylized scenes that are ready to be used in your videos, presentations, or social media content. It's an ideal tool for elevating your creative projects and giving them that polished, cinematic feel, all without needing advanced design skills. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even client work, Leonardo AI helps you bring your imagination to life with ease. Now that your images are ready, let's transform them into stunning animations using Runway ML, one of the leading AI-powered video tools available today. While it's a premium platform, I'm going to show you a clever way to try it out for free without needing to use your personal email or payment details. Start by visiting the official Runway ML website and click on Create Account. To skip using your real email, head over to a website called Smail Pro, which offers temporary Gmail addresses. Copy one of the generated emails from there, paste it into the Runway ML sign-up form, and you're all set. Fast, safe, and simple. Now drag and drop the image you generated earlier using Leonardo AI or another image tool. In just moments, Runway will begin rendering your video, turning a static image into a cinematic animation that's packed with motion, color, and detail. The results are truly impressive. You get high-resolution, full HD animated content with rich visuals, smooth transitions, and a professional finish. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, storytelling, or even freelance projects. And here's a bonus feature many creators overlook: Runway's audio tools. These include free AI voiceovers, music beds, and sound effects, all cleared for commercial use. That means you can safely use them in monetized content, client work, or branded videos without worrying about copyright strikes. So whether you're just starting or want to upgrade your content with advanced visuals, Runway ML gives you everything you need to create polished, professional-grade videos, quickly and easily, no editing experience required. Now let's move on to CapCut. It's time to clean up your video. Open CapCut and drag all your downloaded videos into the timeline. Now, to remove the logo or watermark, it's super simple. Just click on the video clip, then go to the Edit tab and slightly zoom in using the Scale option. That's it. The logo will move out of the frame and boom, your video looks clean and professional. Now you can enjoy your fully animated video completely free and without any watermark. Now it's time to bring everything together and make your final video look clean, professional, and ready to go viral. Carefully adjust the size of each video so that everything fits perfectly on screen. Avoid any parts being cut off and make sure the visuals are framed properly. This small step makes a huge difference in making your video look polished and professional. Next, add smooth transitions between clips to keep the flow engaging. Use fades, slides, or zooms depending on the style you like. Once everything looks good, export your video in HD. And just like that, you've created a high-quality animated video using free AI tools and simple editing techniques. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.